Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the garage. So I got this. It's creepy. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the garage. I got this crazy idea in my head. You ever see how there's like maybe these what do they call it? Underglow. The lights. It's underneath the vehicles. The really cool ones that I don't have. I was thinking it'd be cool if I could maybe have work lights that were mounted on the inside of my truck, because I had that thing in this garage all the time. And usually what I use is this. It's an Astro Tools light. It's not bad. It's pretty good. It's got a magnet on the bottom so it sticks to stuff. But then I hit it, it moves, it falls, it breaks. And then I got this one. It's got a small magnet on the top, so it kind of sticks to things. But even when it sticks, it rotates, it turns. It doesn't really work that great if I can't use the back. So yeah, these are the two options that I normally use, and they're normally pretty good. But I got a crazy idea that just might work. So pour yourself a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, enjoy the show. All right, so we're out here in the dark, walking out the truck. I got the charger. It is too dark to see, but it's going. So let's get her fired up. There we go. Oh yeah, she roaring. I can't really see out of my mirrors because I tore them off because of the wasp nest. And I never put them back on. So here we go. This is great. So what I'm thinking is about running like a LED light strip up here somewhere. Oh, the wheel fender's off. Oh, that's good. This is all this is all disconnected. Wiring harness is just hanging. What is that? Oh man. I gotta put this up somewhere. Zip tied up. Whoopsies. All right. I gotta get this kind of taken care of a little bit. But I think I'll be able to run maybe an LED light strip, and I'm gonna put a switch. Let me show you. All right, I did not realize how hot it was actually going to be in here. This is like unbearably hot. Plus, I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I'm stupid and probably fat. Anyway, so let me show you guys what I got. What I got are these. They're like these little LEDs with double-sided tape on the back. Super, super cheap. Very inexpensive. Also, it is what it is. It's what I got, man. And then I got this little switch. Check this out. I got this from Amazon. It's an Amazon special. So we're gonna hook this switch up in here, and we're not gonna use the car battery because that one dies all the time. What we're gonna use is we're gonna hook it up to a DeWalt 20 volt max, and hopefully it doesn't fry it. So let's figure it out, man. Okay, so for those of you wondering, we're using setup number 2 here, where you got the positive is hooked up to the green and the red. So positive from the battery is hooked up to the green and the red. The negative is hooked up to the black and the battery. So negative is hooked up to the black and the battery. And then the blue is hooked up to the positive of the device. And that's this. So what we got is this little setup where I put in a 20 volt max battery. Whoop, there it goes. And then I'll push the switch, shuts it on and off. Too easy. Now all we got to do is run the tape somewhere inside the well. I have the magnetic lights up in there now, and should work out great. Okay, so I'm learning a lot doing this. First thing is, not a whole lot of good places to put the battery and the switch. So I think I found a spot up behind where the where the actual fog light would go. So the light is working, and I'll show you guys here close up. It's actually a great proof of concept. Um, where that's going to be plenty of light to work on anything I need, even the brakes. So I'll show you guys here what it looks like when with the lights off. So here's the lights off, and as you can see, that's plenty of light. You get down in here, plenty of light to work on anything you need, really. But it's still not as bright as this, and it's a different hue. So this has more light and different light. So, but I think it's a good proof of concept. I just think we need to fire it up. Let's I think I got just the thing. So although cool, not bright enough, but I think I know what it is. These I just tore off of the old tractor, and these are really, really bright. I think it's filled with water. I don't even know if it's gonna work. It's been sitting outside for years. Might as well give it a shot. Okay, so I hooked it up. This is hillbilly rigged as hell. It's bolted through here, bolted to the wheel well. No wire nuts. Just want to see if this works. Check it out. Okay, so this is in the daytime, or not daytime, but with the lights on, and that is way brighter. Let me turn the lights off. All right. Hey, look at that. Spotlights. Yeah, I turned this light on, and I know it's probably hard to tell in the dark here. Let me just step away so you guys might be able to see. It's just blasting light everywhere. It's so bright in there. You'll be able to fix everything. It's like daytime. Yep. So, proof of concept here. We're talking underglow, but for work lights, but permanently mounted inside the truck. So, I'll keep working on this, but the idea we got going on. Hang on. So yeah, the idea we got in our heads is that we create a permanent underglow system you install in your truck, and basically you flick a switch and work lights come on. So you'll never have to mess around with any sort of lights, any sort of magnet lights, nothing getting in your way. Just pre-installed LEDs with a battery pack, rechargeable battery pack, and a flick of the switch. You have lights pre-installed all around your vehicle. If you're picking up what I'm putting down, I'd like to install lights like this basically all throughout the engine bay so that you can actually see down there. Ooh, look at that steering knuckle there. It's about to snap. Anyway, so that you can see all inside the engine, all the way up there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments what you think, and make sure that you check out the Shopify link down below if you want a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt. Make sure you're subscribed for more cool videos like this. We're gonna start making some cool stuff here. Things that have been in my head for a while. Check the link down below for our Shopify if I could speak correctly. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning. Now I'm going to go inside in the air conditioning because my glasses are fogged up because I'm sweating and it's 100 degrees.